Good morning, children. Today we are here to learn chapter 15, past continuous tense. In the previous class, we had stopped at simple past tense. So, in continuity, we have to learn past continuous tense. Let us see what is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to mention an ongoing action of the past. In other words, an action that is continued for some time in the past is expressed in past continuous tense. What did I say in the definition? It is used to mention an ongoing action of the past. It means that the action is not taking place currently. Instead, it was going on or it was taking place in the past. Let us look at the different ways to form sentences in past continuous tense. The first method is, if you have a sentence with a singular noun or pronoun, it uses was plus ing form of the verb. For example, Mohit was reading a novel when his father called. The dog was barking when a thief entered the house. What can you see here? Mohit and the dog. These are singular nouns. So, with the singular noun, we have to write was plus ing form of the verb. Now, let us see, in place of the dog, what shall we write as pronoun? We can write it as a pronoun. So, when you write it was barking when a thief entered the house. The next important method that we need to remember is a sentence with a plural noun or pronoun uses were plus ing form of the verb. For example, the boys were playing last evening. The men were working in the factory last week. What can we see here? The boys and the men, they are plural nouns. Suppose we use pronouns like they or we will also follow the same rule. How can we say by using they were playing last evening. We were working in the factory last week. In this way, we can form sentences in past continuous tense. Children, now let's understand the reasons why we use past continuous tense. Past continuous tense refers to an action that was going on for a certain period of time in the past. Here we have some examples. Mohan and Manish were traveling to Delhi last year. Can you see the action here? The action is traveling. When did the action take place? The action took place last year. Another example you can see, I was watching the football match at 10 last night. So the action is watching. When did the action take place? It has taken place last night. So therefore, this tense is used to refer to an action that took place in a certain period of time. The second one is past continuous tense is used with the simple past tense to show that something happened while another action is going on. Let us look at the examples. We were going to leave when Raj arrived. I met Pooja while I was living in Pune. Here we see two actions taking place. First one is we were going, which is in past continuous tense, while the other action is in simple past. Is it clear, children? And the third one you need to remember here is that past continuous is used to show that an action happened repeatedly in the past. Let's look at the examples. They were practicing for annual day every day. It was raining across the city. Here, what is the action? The action is practicing. The action was happening continuously. How do we know it? The word every day denotes that the action took place repeatedly. Is it clear, children? And the last one is past continuous is used to show change or growth. For example, she was learning to draw well with time. Here we can see her growth in her capability. The second example, they were beginning to enjoy their vacation. It shows their change in their moods. Initially they were not enjoying, but later on they started enjoying. So, we can say past continuous tense is used to show change or growth. I hope the chapter is very clear to you. There are 2 exercises based on past continuous tense in your book. That is on page 57. I'll be sending you the notes along with the video. Before winding up, let me once again remind you about the rules. That is, with the singular noun or pronoun, we will use was plus ing form of the verb. And with the plural nouns or pronouns, we will use were plus ing form of the verb. Children, please keep on revising whatever has been taught till date. Thank you, children.